So everything to me has to have a purpose, which is why I talk about, you know, when doing a facial, that number one, that everything has to have a purpose for your client. You're not just going to do steps because that's what you were told to do. It has to make sense to you, and it has to have a purpose. And for me, you know, coming to America and being over here, I didn't come here to be a celebrity esthetician. I came here because I thought I can do a lot here. And I need to help elevate my industry because the medical industry is so powerful. And that to me was really upsetting. I'm a fighter. I've gone through a lot in my life, and I told, as we all have, you know, we all have stories. And I think, but the fight makes me stronger. And, you know, the biggest thing for me is, I always say, I just want to help people. Because when you help people and you change their lives, there is nothing, no amount of money that can fill you up with satisfaction like that. It's an extraordinary feeling. And so for me, that's everything.